Hey guys, this is gonna be a pretty dark video. It's like 7 o'clock at night. It's dark out there, but it's gonna be a nice little update on the house here. I'll kind of take you around. I got this closet here. I got one side of it sheetrocked. I gotta tape it. I got some plywood down. I gotta do some over here, and then I can put the hot water heater in there. 30 gallon. It's gonna go in there. Then on the other side of the wall, well, we got the bedroom here. Got temporary light, and here's the mechanical room. There's the wiring for the hot water heater. There's the panel. Gotta wire up the well pump. And the hallway, got a light up there. We got a lot of, me and my grandfather got a lot of lights all wired up over the weekend. I gotta give him a special shout out. I'm gonna put a link to his channel right here, and maybe you guys can go and pester him and tell him to make more videos. Special thanks to him. And we got the fan. And we got the other light. Perfect. And here we got the kitchen. We got these lights wired up here. And a fan. It's coming along good. Got that door put on. Baseboard heaters, and I got some plastic that I'm gonna put on this hallway as like a barrier so that I can heat this room in here. And see all the plywood floor I got down, the plywood subflooring. So it's coming along really good. Gotta get the rest of this hallway sheetrocked. Start in the bedroom, but the main priority is to get that hot water heater plumbed and wired right in that corner over there. And we got the creepy old living room. This is how the kitchen looked before I did anything to it, but it's kind of like before and after here. But you can see workbench there, pretty messy. Yep, that's about it, guys. It's coming along slowly but surely. So thanks for watching. I'm gonna try to start making more videos now that I got a nice camera. And yeah, hit subscribe if you aren't already subscribed. I know the house videos, people don't seem to watch them as much, but I like to put them up on there anyway. Alright guys, I took the hot water heater out of the box just for the fun of it, and I shoved it in there, and it fits perfect. Very nice.